Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging the amplifier, safety first. Open the chassis and check that chassis-to-earth ground is continuous. Once done, visually inspect solder joints on the ground star and follow the ground return path. You should measure continuity with a meter. If you find high resistance, reflow or tighten the connections. Also determine whether the hum matches 50 or 60 cycles. This helps isolate mains-related issues versus audio frequency oscillations. You now follow the signal path from input to preamp, probing for hum pickup at each stage. Make sure input shields are tied to ground at one end only to avoid ground loops. Replace suspect coupling caps and inspect electrolytic filter caps in the power supply. Old caps often cause low-frequency hum. If hum persists, add small series resistors, an RFC choke, or local decoupling caps to isolate stages and stabilize supply rails. These measures reduce ripple and stop stage-to-stage feedback. You finish by reassembling and testing under real conditions. Try a different outlet, temporarily lift ground at accessories, or use an isolated transformer to confirm mains as the source. Make sure to use a hum eliminator cautiously and never defeat safety grounds permanently. If hum remains, probe with an oscilloscope at supply rails and the preamp stages to locate the noisy node. When found, rework grounding and shielding there. One key troubleshooting tip: if the hum changes when touching a chassis or cable,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.